How to fix phone numbers not showing in iPhone contacts. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix phone numbers not showing in iPhone contacts. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your iOS is up to date. If not, go to settings and then scroll down and go to general right here. Click on General and then go to Software Update. Click on it and then wait for it to load. And if you have an update available, make sure to click on Download and Install. And then make sure to install it later on. And then check your contacts and then the phone numbers should be shown. However, if this method still doesn't work, what you're going to do is to go to settings once again and then click on your profile found on the uppermost part. And then go to iCloud right here and then go to contacts. And what you're going to do right here is to turn off your contacts and then turn it on afterwards. So turn it off and then if it asks you to um, like this one, make sure to keep on my iPhone. So choose keep on my iPhone, and then once you press on keep on my iPhone, turn it on once again, and then it will ask you to merge your contact. So make sure to click on merge. And then if it still doesn't work, what I would like you to do is to simply restart your phone. So to restart your phone, simply press and hold to your power button as well as your volume button and turn off your phone. If you have this assistive touch, what you're going to do is to press on that assistive touch and then click on device, click on more, and click on restart found on the lower left corner of the assistive touch. So again, if it doesn't work, make sure to contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac Center for more info. So that's it. That's how you can fix phone numbers not showing in iPhone contacts. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.